The Macintosh apples in my orchard are ready, and today we're making caramel apple tarts. To make the tarts, you'll need 3 apples, 3 small ones or 2 large, and you'll need to peel those and dice them into 1/4-inch cubes. Cook the apples in a small skillet with 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat for about 3 minutes. To the skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. And we'll just stir that in. Let it cook maybe a few minutes more. Although these look like they're getting well done. To that, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And remove it from the heat. Meanwhile, combine 2 tablespoons of finely chopped walnuts with 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add 1 tablespoon melted butter and stir with a fork. Fill the Fillo shells with 1 teaspoon, approximately, of the apple filling. Cover with the crumb topping and place on a cookie sheet to bake. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until the topping is brown. Remove from the oven and allow to cool. Just before serving, add just a little bit of whipped topping to the top. Then drizzle with some caramel topping and enjoy.